In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut export error that says no internet connection. This is one of those frustrating problems that can stop your project right at the final step, especially when everything else in your edit seems to be working perfectly. The good news is that in many cases, this error can be fixed quickly with a couple of simple settings changes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the app performance options that can affect exporting. Inside Settings, go to the Performance section. Here, you'll see an option for hardware accelerated encoding and decoding. This feature is designed to help speed up performance by using your computer's GPU, but sometimes it can cause export issues, including the no internet connection error. To fix that, simply toggle hardware accelerated encoding and decoding off. After turning it off, make sure you save the changes if CapCut gives you a save option. Then close the app completely and restart it. Restarting is important because CapCut needs to reload the new performance settings before you try exporting again. Once the app opens back up, go back to your project and try exporting one more time. In a lot of cases, this alone solves the problem. If you still see the same export error, the next thing to check is your network and security settings. Sometimes antivirus software or firewall protection can block CapCut from communicating properly with its backend servers, and that can make the app think you have no internet connection, even when your internet is working fine. So temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test the export. If the export works after disabling it, then you found the cause of the issue. If that happens, don't leave your protection off permanently. Instead, go into your antivirus or firewall settings and add CapCut as an allowed app or exception. That way, CapCut can connect properly without being blocked, and your computer can still stay protected. This is a much safer long-term fix than leaving your security software turned off. To recap, the two main fixes are to disable hardware accelerated encoding and decoding in CapCut's performance settings, then check whether your antivirus or firewall is interfering with the app's connection. These two steps solve the no internet connection export error for many users and can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you're still having trouble after trying both fixes, you may want to update CapCut to the latest version and restart your computer as well. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the CapCut export error. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick software fixes, editing tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.